Year 2021 has been a great year for us. We have achieved many milestones which seemed impossible. So we want to thank our team, our clients, our partners who have been with us in this journey. But more than that, we want to thank all the public service workers, the teachers, the healthcare workers, the doctors, the policemen, the armed forces, people who make our country and society function. Also, we want to thank all the entrepreneurs and great businessmen who drive economic growth in Pakistan. We all know that these are tough times. So despite the challenges, these guys strive hard and drive our economy. And as evangelists for Pakistan's economy, we salute them. This last year has also been about growth for us. And I'll ask Mahmood to tell us more about the growth we have achieved in 2021. So over to you, Mahmood.
2021 has been an extremely exciting year for us at KASB. We have done a lot of numerous things which have been a first in the industry. हमने अपनी जो employees हैं और अपना जो colleagues हैं उनको हम लोगों ने more than double कर दिया to this year to more than 100 people. हम लोगों ने अपना branch network भी बढ़ाया and now we are happy to be in Punjab as well. Other than that, we have gotten a lot of new licenses which we did not have before. To name a few, कमोडिटी ट्रेडिंग अब आप हमारे थ्रू कर सकते हैं, हमारे पास मनी मार्केट का भी लाइसेंस है, हमारे पास अंडर राइटिंग का भी लाइसेंस है और हम कंसल्टेंट टू द इशू भी हो सकते हैं, जिसका ये मतलब है दैट वी कैन हेल्प अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रेट कंपनीज लिस्ट ऑन द पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज थ्रू डिफरेंट IPOs. We're also very proud that we have been awarded A- rating by PECRA, which shows the growth that is happening in the company. In 2021, we have worked on strengthening our research, which we believe strongly in, and that was also shown by the award that CFA gave to our research report. Other than that, we were also fortunate to win an award by Pasha. We at KASB are extremely delighted and look forward to 2022 and what it holds, and we cannot wait for the year to start, inshallah.
The last year was all about growth. It was about expansion in team, expansion in clients, expansion in licenses, and our product portfolio. We have added thousands of new customers, both global institutions, domestic institutions, family offices, and many thousands of people who we have connected now to Pakistan Stock Exchange. We are evangelists for Pakistan's capital markets, and we look forward to helping people maximize their return on their investments and helping great companies get access to capital. So if you want to get advice on where and how to invest, or if you run a company and want help in raising capital, please do contact us, and we look forward to helping you in the year 2022 and many years beyond that. Thank you.